This is the video to show the assembly of 230 liters handy concrete mixers by Gepco. First of all, open the package that you've got. Inside you will see another package with motor or the engine. After you open it up, you would find a lot of things inside, including the motor or the engine, and you have an instruction booklet here. With this instruction booklet, you can easily assemble the machine. Also, you would find some tools and all the required parts for the machine. Now once this is out, take out other parts from the package, keep them aside, and now it's time that we take out the drum, which is in two parts, to be taken out and then assembled to be fitted. After taking out this packaging, both the parts at sometimes are stuck, so it's easy, just a little push and then you can take out both the parts. There is a rubber gasket, sealing gasket provided. You can fix the sealing gasket for both the parts, and then using the provided bolts and nuts, both the two parts of the drum are joined together to make. Now importantly, here you can see two arrows. This should be in one line. Now this is important, do not miss this. After putting it, put all the bolts, tighten them, and the drum is now ready to be used. We have these two side holes. Now this is required for fitting the mixing blades. Now this is how the rest of the parts from the package are assembled. The chassis, the motor or the engine similarly. This will be the base and the spine of the machine. Same way you can put these wheels, the handles, and this is the rotating part on which the drum would mount. Now this is an important finger-like thing on which the slot of the drum needs to be fixed. So you can have a very easy, you can also refer to the booklet. Now the fixed drum with this same slot, now this slot goes into the finger that we showed earlier. Yes, this should fix with this here. Now push fit, and yes, now it is in the slot. This is how it should be. After this is here, now it's time that we fix the blades. These blades, as showed earlier, there are 3 numbers. We can fix them, and these are the mixing blades. Now the important part after the mixing blades is the T-bolt, which holds the drum thoroughly, that you can see once in the clip we have shown. But how to fix it? Yes, this is the T-bolt. Now these are 2 washers, importantly, one spring and plain. This should be surely there. Now once these washers are here, we put the T-bolt and tighten it very tightly. Even you may have to use some hammer also at times. Now this machine is now ready to be used. If it is electric, plug it in, and if it is petrol, put the engine oil, and then start. Now these are the 2 wheels to be put in the end, and push them together, put the bolts, and the machine is ready to be used.